1. Question number 2. The question is, name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. Name the line given in all possible ways, that is 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. Right? Here you see, this is the line. You have to name the line. Right? First one is starting from A. That is right. We can write AB is a line. AB line means you have to give arrow on both sides, right? And you can represent here like this, that is AB. A, B, right? Next one, number 2, AB starting from A. One is AB, another is AC, another is AC line, A, C line, right? It will be like this. Here it is A, and here it will be C, right? This is AC line. Next one, 3, number 3 is ABAC, and we can write also AD line, right? We can here write AD line. It is A point will be here and D point will be here, that is AD, right? Now fourth one will be like this. We start from B, right? That is BA line. How it is, it looks like it is B, it is A, right? BA. Next one is 5. Number 5 is BA BC. This is also a line. BC. We can write like this. Here the number is B. Here we write C. Next C is BC. Next one is BD. BD. Right? How it looks like? It is a line. It is B and it is D. Starting from B, we are getting BA, BC, BD. Now we start from the line point C, right? That is 5, 6. Number 7. Number 7 is starting from C. That is CA, CA, CA will be like this. CA, this is C and this is A, right? Next is 8, CA, CB, CB, CA, CB will be like this. CB, here the line is C and here it is B. CA, CB and CD. 9, CD, CD, okay, CD, it will be like this. Here C and here D. 10. Now 11, we start from D. We start from D. That is DC, DC. How it looks like? That is here C, here D, that is DC. 10. Next 11 is DB, DB. 11 is DB, D, it is B, both side, and here the line will be D, this is D, and this is B. And number 12 is DA, DA. and it is like this DA. Here it is A. Here it is A and it is T, right? These are the different 12 ways we can write the line, that is AB, AC, AD, BA, BC, BD, CA, CB, CD, DC, DB and DA. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.